Okay, so this is how to operate the new Optimum Sous Vide. Once we've plugged it into power, it's going to beep and go red. From there we want to short press the on. C is telling us that we're in Celsius. If we wanted to get to Fahrenheit, simply press plus or minus. We'll keep it in Celsius. So now to set the temperature, we want to press on this flashing settings cog. So from here we can change the temperature up or down as desired. Now to set the time, we want to press the settings cog again. This is in hours and minutes, so we'll set an hour, and to get to minutes, press the settings cog again. Now that that's flashing, we can change this. So once we're happy with that, we can start. If we want to go back and change any of the settings, simply press settings again and it'll start through the menu again. So we'll turn it on. Now once it reaches temperature, it's just going to start ticking down the timer by itself. So now it's going through its timing function, so it'll stay at 22.5 degrees for an hour and 30 minutes. If we wanted to stop it prematurely, all we need to do is long press on the power button and it's stopped.